Our beautiful blue ocean is in trouble. It's filled with plastic. Every year, millions of tons of plastic waste end up in our seas, coming from our homes, cities, and industries. Plastic bottles, bags, and microplastics are everywhere, floating, sinking, and washing up on remote beaches. This isn't just ugly trash, it's deadly for marine life. Sea turtles mistake plastic for food, seabirds feed it to their chicks, and whales get tangled in ghost nets. Plastic breaks down into microplastics but never truly disappears. Microplastics move up the food chain, sometimes even ending up on our plates. We created this crisis, and now we must fix it. Around the world, people are inventing new ways to tackle the plastic crisis. The health of our blue planet depends on the actions we take today. The fight to save our oceans has begun. For years, ocean plastic was just more trash, pulled from the sea, then dumped in landfills. But what if we saw plastic as a resource, not garbage? This new mindset is sparking a revolution in ocean cleanup. The big idea: turn harmful plastic into something valuable, like fuel. Imagine powering cars, boats, or even communities with fuel made from ocean plastic. This isn't science fiction. It's happening now. Turning plastic into fuel gives us a reason to collect it, creating value from waste. This is called a circular economy. Instead of trashing plastic, we transform it and use it again. By closing the loop, we help the environment and people. This approach gives us hope and turns a crisis into an opportunity for innovation. Picture boats collecting plastic, then using fuel made from that same plastic to power their journey. It's smart thinking that can save our oceans. Environmental protection and technological advancement working together. This is the new frontier of conservation. We're cleaning our planet and creating energy at the same time. The future of ocean cleanup is here, and it's circular. One of the most famous groups tackling ocean plastic is the Ocean Cleanup, founded by Boy and Slat. Their idea, a massive floating barrier that moves with ocean currents, concentrating plastic for easy collection. The main target is the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, the largest accumulation of ocean plastic in the world. Their U-shaped system, hundreds of meters long, is towed by ships and funnels plastic into a collection zone. Once full, a ship empties the plastic and brings it to shore. It's like a giant vacuum cleaner for the ocean surface. The logistics are tough, collecting tons of plastic thousands of miles out at sea. The team has faced setbacks, but they've learned and improved. Millions of kilograms of plastic have been removed so far. By removing legacy plastic, they're preventing it from breaking down into microplastics and harming marine life. The Ocean Cleanup shows that big ideas and determination can tackle even the biggest messes. It's a symbol of hope and human ingenuity. The cleanup has only just begun. The Ocean Cleanup isn't alone. Innovators worldwide are fighting plastic pollution in creative ways. Most ocean plastic comes from rivers, so stopping it at the source is key. Enter the Interceptor, a solar-powered barge that collects river trash with barriers and conveyor belts, working around the clock. When full, it alerts local operators to empty it. These machines are now in rivers across Asia and the Caribbean. In Baltimore, Mr. Trash Wheel, a googly-eyed water-powered machine, has removed over 2 million kilograms of trash from the harbor. Community-led efforts matter too. Local groups organize beach cleanups and build simple floating traps for harbors. These actions clean the environment and unite communities. Every effort, big or small, helps turn the tide against plastic pollution. From giant ocean systems to local river traps, innovation is everywhere. The fight is global, but solutions are local and personal. Technology and teamwork are making a real difference. The more we act, the cleaner our oceans become. Everyone can be part of the solution. The movement is growing. Together, we're making waves of change. The ocean's future depends on all of us. So, what happens to all the plastic we collect? Enter pyrolysis, a game-changing scientific process. Pyrolysis heats plastic to high temperatures without oxygen, breaking it down into oil. Most plastics are made from petroleum, full of energy and long molecular chains. Pyrolysis breaks these chains, turning plastic into a gas, then condensing it into a liquid oil. This oil is similar to crude oil and can be refined into diesel, gasoline, or kerosene. We're essentially reversing the process of making plastic, turning it back into fuel. Pyrolysis can handle mixed, dirty, and hard-to-recycle plastics, perfect for ocean waste. It's a form of chemical recycling that transforms trash into treasure. This technology is a breakthrough for plastic waste management. It creates a valuable energy source from what was once pollution. Pyrolysis is already being used in real-world projects. It offers hope for a cleaner, more sustainable future. Turning plastic into fuel closes the loop. It's innovation in action. The future of plastic is energy, not waste. And it all starts with science. Let's break down how a pyrolysis machine works. First, plastic waste is shredded for even heating. The pieces go into a sealed reactor, no oxygen so it won't burn. The reactor heats to 400-600 degrees, melting the plastic. The plastic breaks down into hot gas. This gas cools and condenses into a dark, energy-rich oil. The oil is collected as synthetic crude. Some gas is reused to heat the reactor, making the process efficient. The leftover solid, called char, can be used for industry or soil. Pyrolysis is efficient, adaptable, and scalable. It's a practical solution for a global problem. The future of recycling is here. In the Philippines, pyrolysis is making a real difference. Coastal communities, threatened by plastic pollution, are fighting back. A local group set up a small pyrolysis plant, empowering residents to collect plastic for cash. The plastic is shredded, processed, and turned into diesel fuel. This fuel powers fishing boats, replacing expensive imported diesel. The project cleans beaches, provides income, and supplies affordable fuel. Trash becomes opportunity, environmental, social, and economic benefits all at once. Children and adults alike join in, transforming their environment and livelihoods. The community sees plastic as valuable, not just a nuisance. It's a perfect example of closing the loop. Local action, global impact. Science is changing lives, one village at a time. On Roatan, a Caribbean island, plastic pollution threatened beaches and reefs. Local groups and plastic fisher installed trash booms in rivers to catch plastic before it reached the sea. Community members were hired to clean the booms, creating jobs and stopping pollution at its source. With no recycling infrastructure, they brought in a modular pyrolysis machine. The collected plastic, once worthless, became valuable feedstock for fuel production. The pyrolysis plant turned plastic into oil, powering generators, and making the island more self-sufficient. This reduced reliance on imported diesel and cleaned the environment. Jobs, clean energy, and a healthier ecosystem, all from plastic waste. The project shows how technology can be adapted to unique island challenges. Waste becomes opportunity, and communities thrive. Roatan is proof that innovation can power real change. The model can inspire islands everywhere. As we look to the future, the scale of the plastic problem can feel overwhelming, but the stories we've shared show the tide is turning. Turning ocean plastic into fuel is a fundamental shift in how we see waste. Large-scale cleanups and local efforts are combining for real impact. Pyrolysis gives cleanup efforts a sustainable, profitable purpose. The future of our oceans is brighter than it was a decade ago. Scientists, engineers, and communities are working together. But technology alone isn't enough. We must reduce plastic use at the source. Every bottle refilled, every bag reused makes a difference. You can be part of this hopeful future. Support organizations, join cleanups, and make conscious choices. The journey to clean oceans is long, but we've started on the right path. Together, our actions, big and small, can heal our blue planet. The wonder of our oceans can be preserved for generations to come. The revolution has begun. The future is in our hands.